National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, west central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Haymarket, or near South Riding, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville, Bull Run, Sutter Lake, Catharpin, and Wolsey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.